You're not ugly. You don't know that your face can be upgraded. See, the world's top models also looked average. They too have upgraded your faces, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can upgrade your face, just to 5 easy steps. Let's start this video. Step 1: Body fat. If there is fat on your face, then it makes your jawline invisible. So how to fix it? Reduce your body fat, so that the fat on your face will also reduce and your face will also start looking sharp. Keep your body fat between 20 to 10% and avoid junk food as much. Step 2: Haircut. Choose a perfect haircut according to your face shape and get it done once a week, because a haircut decides 50% of your overall look. Step 3: Skin care. You don't need 10 things, you just need these 3 things: face wash, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Always wash your face with face wash and then apply moisturizer and sunscreen so that your skin doesn't get damaged when you go out in the sun. Step 4: Posture. If you have a wrong posture, you look like a low confidence person. Correct your posture overall, you look confident. Step 5: Sleep posture. If you sleep in a wrong posture, so your face can also be asymmetric, so change your sleeping posture, sleep straight so that your face remains in balance. If you want to see such videos in future, then subscribe to Vismax. Bye.